New and now at ABC 15 follow-up, a 14-year-old learning his fate following that fatal UTV crash in North Scottsdale. 5 months ago, a freshman at Chaparral High School was killed when the UTV she was in overturned. 7 others, all under the age of 18, also on that off-road vehicle. Today, the 14-year-old driver arrested in this crash was sentenced. But as ABC 15's Ford Hatchett reports, the victim's family doesn't feel the judge's decision is bringing them justice. Ford?
An emotional day in juvenile court as a 14-year-old was sentenced for their role in a deadly December UTV crash in Scottsdale, but the justice process is far from over.
There are questions that haven't been answered about how this happened. How did we get to the point that this group of kids was out in the desert yelling at one driver to slow down who was driving a vehicle he never should have had access to?
A judge giving the 14-year-old UTV driver probation and community service for negligent homicide for the crash that killed 14-year-old Jillian Reagan and injured others. 8 teenagers were on that UTV, which was driving through the desert before crashing near Hayden and Jomax around 1 in the morning.
They went to bed that evening with a beautiful, happy, safe to their knowledge 14-year-old girl who had never been in any trouble. And she was going to go through her teenage years and live her life if it wasn't for this set of mistakes.
Frustrated by the sentencing constraints of juvenile court, Jillian's parents have already filed a civil lawsuit hoping to learn more about how the teenagers gained access to the UTV after midnight.
Everyone should first be more than willing to provide answers that are necessary so grieving parents know what actually happened, what steps were taken, and then everybody should be held fully accountable for their role in this tragedy.
Since the 14-year-old driver was not charged as an adult, we're not naming or showing him. The family didn't exit out of the courthouse's front door, but we pressed the family's attorney, and in a statement they tell ABC 15, quote, "We are all so very, very sorry for Jillian's family and the other victims. We cannot imagine what any of them are going through. We know that there is nothing anyone can do to undo this harm and hope and pray that they find some comfort in Jillian's memory."
And as we heard from Jillian's parents inside court today, it was very emotional. Her father saying that it has taken the joy out of his life, describing himself as broken and going on to say that my life left with her. In Mesa, Fort Hatchett, ABC 15, Arizona.